Hi there. Today I'm gonna show how we can make our Facebook in dark mode or dark theme. First, to use Facebook dark mode, you can go to this link and install this extension. Okay, let's go to this link. I will put this link in the description so you can just click this link in my video description. After that, you can add to Chrome here. Okay, choose add extension. This is very simple and just need 211 kilobytes. Okay, now after you see like this, you can set or open facebook.com Voila, it's still blue, and you can check this. Okay, you can see there now you have Facebook dark mode in here. Okay, like this. There is four dark mode in the dark, black, night sky, and black diamond. Okay, I'm sorry, still have five dark mode in here. You can see there something little bit different in here. You can choose suitable with you want. Okay, that's all tutorial how we can get our Facebook in dark mode. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye.